In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase Dining Rewards feature. Now, if you're trying to redeem the points that you have accumulated within the Ultimate Rewards, and if you're trying to redeem it for dining, which is the culinary experience, all you want to do is head over to the book travel or the Ultimate Reward section where you will be able to redeem these points. So within the reward section or the redemption section, you should be able to see the all partners list being displayed on the top. You straight away want to head over to the hotels or the dining experiences that you should be able to see on this list. You can simply tap on one of the culinary experiences that you're trying to redeem these points on. Now, once you select one of the dining experiences, you should be able to come across a similar section where you can add in the exact number of points that you're trying to transfer or redeem to the culinary experience or the dining experience. So you can simply tap on next, and once you do, all of the points that you selected will be successfully redeemed or transferred. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the Chase Dining Rewards feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.